For close round 53, we make a slip stitch top of very first cluster, and round 53 finish. Round 54, chain 1 for a start. We want to make a cluster around the cluster and around next front post double crochet. Now a cluster, 2 chain, 1, 2, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around next front post double crochet. Now here we want to make single crochet in every chain 1 space plus chain 1. So a single crochet, chain 1, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1 and a single crochet. Totally 4 single crochet and 3 chain 1 space. A front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next front post double crochet, 1, the other one should be top of this. Now 2 chain, 1, 2, here we want to make a cluster around this front post and next cluster. So 1 front post double crochet here and the other one around this cluster, now a cluster, chain 1 and repeat the pattern. Now a cluster around the cluster and the front post double crochet here, 3 loops on the hook and the cluster, 2 chain, 2 double crochet, 2 front post double crochet around next front post, 1 and 2, chain 1, a front post double crochet around next, and here a single crochet into chain 1 space, chain 1, a single crochet, chain 1, a single crochet into next chain 1 space, chain 1 and a single crochet. Now a front post double crochet around next, chain 1, 2 front post double crochet around next, 1, 2, 2 chain and a cluster here around this front post and next cluster, chain 1. We continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here